Running this port side Yamaha 2019 300 horse. So on this one altogether, new water pump kit. I cleaned and lubed everything prior to install. Anti-seized the new water pump housing bolts, and anti-seized all the bolts to bolt it up to the motor itself. New gear oil, new motor oil, new oil filter. Put the date and engine hours on the oil filter. New anodes, new thermostats, new spark plugs, new fuel water separating filter. I think that's it. There might be more, but yeah. So I went through the whole motor for him. Again, this is Jason Reed boat. Beautiful boat. Once again, I'd like to thank Jason and everybody else who brings me their boats and motors to work on and stuff for them. Everything's good to go in this one for 100 hours for the motor oil, oil filter, and gear oil, and 300 hours or 3 years for the everything else that I did. But this one's good to go.